Mr. Walker, what is your concern today?
I'm concerned. I'm a state representative. It happens to be in my district.
Okay.
I don't have to state anything else. But I'm
well, I'm being polite, just engaging in your conversation. But I don't need to be rude.
But I'm not. You don't have to be. But I'm here just as an observer. This happened to me, by the way. I observed some policemen in Pine Bluff arresting a few black boys 10 years ago. You pull up the case, Walker versus Pine Bluff, and they arrested me for just watching.
Oh, I'm not good. You have total right to do exactly what you're doing. Do you understand the circumstances of our stop?
I don't know. I just want to see it. But 5 cops for 1 man? No.
Well, actually,
5 cops for 1 man.
Well, what's going on is both the young officers that you see over there are in training, and there's only 4 of us if you count us. There's only 4.
Well, there were 5.
No, there's only been 4. Both me and this officer are training.
All right.
They're in training, so we ride double.
That's fine.
Or there'd just be 2 of us.
All right.
Now, on this particular stop, this gentleman was pulled over because he doesn't have tags on his car. Okay? So a quick check to see why he hasn't tagged his car led to a warrant that he has for his arrest. That's why he's in that car. He's been treated with nothing but respect from the get-go.
I'm not questioning that. I see the traffic being stopped or at least impeded in a way, but it's not necessary.
Well, if you read the traffic laws, that's an emergency vehicle. So it's allowed to park like that.
I'm not saying that, but I'm saying...
But you're a lawyer, so you probably knew that already.
I understand that, but all I'm saying is it's not a real big deal.
Well, it appears to be.
It's every time multiple people arrest a black man now, and I'm around, I'm going to take pictures.
Sure.
I am, because, there have been too many killings. The killings on 12th Street, the killings on Asher Avenue.
Mr. Walker, have you ever been a police officer?
It doesn't matter about
No, it does matter.
I've been arrested.
You can answer the question or not. I don't care. But until you walk a mile in the shoes of a police officer, you have no idea what goes on.
No, I know.
You have no idea what goes on.
You don't need.
You're the type of person that goes ahead and tries to exploit this to where it causes chaos and nothing like that. You just try to. You're a race baiter, is what you are. Okay.
You told me whatever you.
I'm just telling you like it is, Mr. Walker.
How can I be a race baiter?
Because you perpetuate the situation.
Arkansas Rep. John Walker was filming the police when they rolled up on him, questioned him, and one cop even called him a race baiter.
What have I done to try to provoke?
You sat there filming it.
Let me ask you this.
And this is not the first time you've done that. You've done this ever since I've been down here. I started in '94. You've been doing this ever since then.
We passed the law.
Okay.
One law that I passed in the legislature was that we could record everything.
I don't care if you record, but you're doing it to provoke. You're doing it to provoke. Because you're a race baiter, sir.
Let me ask you this.
I didn't ask you. I didn't invite you over here.
Would you have stopped today and videoed had this been a young white male?
I don't know.
That's right.
Because all I know is that I stopped.
That's all I needed to hear. That's all I needed to hear. You're only here to cause trouble. So you are welcome. You are welcome to sit here and film all you want to. We're done. We're done.
But look, I didn't know who was in that car.
We didn't know the race.
It's not necessary. No, you can say that.
We didn't know the race of the person driving the car.
Look,
okay, and with the darkened window and see who is in the vehicle.
Anytime you arrest people in this area,
it's a 50-50 shot. Boom.
Greater than anything else.
All you do is try to provoke people. Okay, that's all you do.
You heard another white supremacist talking point there. Well, if it was white people, you wouldn't care. Bull effing you know what.
Back over there. Back over there.
What? You got a right to...
Okay, no you don't. You got a right to go over there. You're in the middle of my traffic stop. If you want to impede,
yeah, my traffic stop right now.
You will go to jail. I'm not playing. Go back over that side, please. One more time and go back on that side. You are obstructing justice. Go back over there where you were at. You can do whatever you want to do over there.
Oh my gosh.
I've watched it, so.
When Walker would cross the street,
in the wake of all that's going on, I'm sure, people have their own opinions on what.
Our camera.
Okay.
How do you say last name?
Oh.
are you? What's your name, Miss Lawrence?
You just said it.
What's your first name?
Jay.
Jay. Okay. Are you a trainee? Where are the cameras? Where were the cameras before? They weren't always on.
The camera is off.
Mr. Walker, just step back here to my vehicle.
You don't have to hold me. I'll go myself.
Jason.
Oh.
Jason, you want him back there?
I think he put the other guy back.
You want him back there with him? All right, Mr. Walker.
This man
right
is a lobby security. He's also a lawyer now.
Walk up, you just lean back against the car right there. Got another unit of transport, you coming here? I'm sorry, sir, I can't hear you.
You mean lean forward or lean back?
You lean backward.
If I lean backward, I'll be leaning into you.
Sir?
If I lean backward, I'll be leaning into
Turn
you.
around and get the vehicle if you want to.
Stand up. I don't like to.
You know better
This is
than
the
walk.
exact situation that happened.
Walk up in there. Chance. Yes.
He's beating the car. Do you not feel him beating the
Be all
car?
at once. I want that microphone here
Okay.
for Mr. Walker.
No, you don't have to have me say
Oh, yes,
anything.
sir, I do. Well, you know, you've been doing this long enough. You know you don't walk up in an officer's traffic stop.
I was not walking in an officer's traffic stop.
Yes,
I walked
you were.
across the street and I was standing on the sidewalk.
Sir,
I was standing on the
interfering
sidewalk.
with the
I am
government
not
operations.
interfering with governmental
Yes, sir, you
operations.
are. Well, you're gonna get charged
Standing up,
with
but
it, so.
I understand you're going to charge me with it.
He would get placed in handcuffs. Here was Walker's booking photo via Little Rock Public Radio. He'd be booked on a single count of misdemeanor obstructing government operations, and they really had to fish for something there. KATV would report at the time that the driver, who Walker was filming to make sure nothing happened to him, was named Cedric Bell. He had warrants out of Little Rock and North Little Rock. Would it shock you to learn that Little Rock police would drop the charge against the Democratic lawmaker and civil rights attorney? Well, probably shouldn't. Police Chief Kenton Buckner would go on to apologize to Walker. In his letter, Buckner said he made the decision after reviewing the documentation and video from the arrest and talking with the city's legal counsel, wrote the Associated Press. If you can and are willing, please become a paid member here at TYTSports. And or go to tyt.com/join. In addition, you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Appreciate it. Have a great day.